Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Garbage Can Deodorizer is probably one of the most overlooked household essentials, but trust me, it's a game changer. Nobody wants a stinky kitchen or a backyard that smells like a landfill. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Garbage Can Deodorizers, exploring different types, and helping you find the perfect solution to keep your trash smelling fresh and clean. Number 5. Fresh Wave Original Odor Eliminating Packs and Pod Case. Introducing Fresh Wave, the natural solution to eliminate odors. This product uses plant-based ingredients to neutralize smells, leaving your space fresh and clean. Each pack provides effective odor elimination for 15 to 30 days. It's a convenient and long-lasting way to keep your home smelling its best. The advanced formula neutralizes odors from sweat, trash, and food. It uses the power of plant oils to eliminate odors without artificial fragrances. This product harnesses the power of plant oils like lime, pine, cedarwood, and anise. These natural ingredients work together to eliminate odors effectively. Keep your wardrobe smelling fresh with the original packs. It's perfect for closets, shoe racks, and storage spaces. The pod lets you place it exactly where you need it. The pod is designed for targeted odor removal. Place it in trash cans, diaper pails, and other areas where odors are a problem. It's a simple and effective solution. What we like. This product uses a plant-based formula to eliminate odors, not just mask them. The pod design allows you to place it exactly where you need it, like in your trash can or diaper pail. If you are looking for a natural and effective way to keep your small spaces smelling fresh, you should consider this. What people say. Absorb odors well, not a super strong scent and easy to use. There's no doubt the pods have a light, refreshing scent that helps mask and perhaps even eliminate some of the odors. I attached it to the inside of the lid, where it has been mostly ignorable, and the difference it's made simply cannot be exaggerated. Number 4. Fresh Wave Lavender Odor Eliminating Packs and Pod Case. Are you looking for a natural way to eliminate odors? These packs and case offer a safer odor relief for small spaces. They use natural, plant-based ingredients to absorb and eliminate unwanted smells. This product is designed to freshen your home. It comes in a bag of 6 packs and a convenient pod case. It's a simple and effective solution for a fresher living space. This product utilizes natural plant-based odor eliminators. It works by absorbing odors, leaving behind a clean and fresh scent. You can trust it to keep your home smelling its best. These odor absorbers are ideal for small spaces. Whether it's a closet, bathroom, or any area prone to odors, it will help. It's a convenient and discreet way to maintain a pleasant environment. With this product, you can enjoy a home free from unwanted smells. It provides a safe and effective way to eliminate odors. It's a simple step towards a fresher, more inviting home. What we like. This product also uses a plant-based formula to eliminate odors. It offers a soothing lavender scent to freshen up your space. If you enjoy the calming aroma of lavender and want a natural way to eliminate odors, you should consider this. What people say. The product effectively eliminates odors. The design is compact and fits easily into the trash can. It provides long-lasting odor control. Number 3. Odor Commander 22-ounce Lemongrass, made in Canada. Tired of unpleasant odors? This product is designed to eliminate them. It makes managing compost and garbage much easier. This spray effectively removes odors from trash bins, compost, and garbage cans. It's a simple solution for a fresher environment. This product is certified by the Ecologo UL program. It meets North America's environmental standards, ensuring its safety and effectiveness. It contains no toxins, masking agents, or perfumes. Instead, it uses a naturally powerful formula to neutralize odors. This is the same effective solution as the former WM odor disposer. You can trust it to deliver the same great results. What we like. This product effectively eliminates odors with a refreshing lemongrass scent. It is also certified by the Ecologo UL program, ensuring it meets North America's environmental standards. If you are looking for an eco-friendly option that tackles tough odors, you should consider this. What people say. The product effectively eliminates odors. The design is compact and fits easily in the trash can. It has a long-lasting effect. Number 2. iTouchless AbsorbX Odor Removal Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the iTouchless AbsorbX Odor Removal Kit. This kit uses all-natural, non-toxic activated carbon technology. It absorbs and neutralizes odors and volatile organic compounds. You can place it anywhere odor control is needed. Use it in drawers, lockers, closets, bathrooms, kids' rooms, cars, pantries, cupboards, refrigerators, shoe organizers, garbage cans, and diaper pails. The filters are non-toxic and made with all-natural activated carbon. Once used, they can even be composted, making it environmentally friendly. Each filter provides up to 3 months of odor absorption. This ensures long-lasting freshness in any space. It has a compact and lightweight design. The adhesive back allows it to stick to metal, plastic, glass, wood, or ceramic surfaces. It's easy to use anywhere. What we like. This product utilizes activated carbon technology to naturally absorb and neutralize odors. It can be used in various places, like drawers, closets, and trash cans. If you need a versatile and long-lasting solution for odor control in multiple areas, you should consider this. What people say. Fantastic product that does a great job of absorbing odors. I tossed a refill packet in the bottom of my cat's litter genie and it's helped with the smell a lot. I have ordered these before for my RV garbage cupboard and they really do the job. Number 1. REMODEEZ Charcoal Odor Eliminator, 2-pack. Tired of trash can smells? This product removes odors instead of just covering them up. It's fragrance-free and chemical-free, keeping your home fresh and safe. These activated charcoal bags are twice as effective as bamboo alternatives. They use the power of activated charcoal to absorb and eliminate odors. It sticks easily to smooth surfaces. You can place it inside your garbage cans, cabinets, diaper pails, or recycling bins with ease. Made from renewable coconut shells, this product is eco-friendly and sustainable. After use, you can compost it, making it a great choice for the environment. For optimal results, replace it every 4 to 6 months. It provides long-lasting odor elimination, keeping your space smelling clean and fresh. What we like. This product uses activated charcoal to remove odors naturally. It sticks easily to smooth surfaces inside your trash cans. If you like an eco-friendly and easy-to-use option that keeps your trash area fresh, you should consider this. What people say. Keeps my can from smelling. Works like a charm. This product did wonders for odors in our garage cans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.